Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a website logo in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first go to sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to add your logo on. This is my website in hosting in Google Sites, and as you see here, my logo still uses text. Now to add a logo here, simply hover over the logo or the current logo with your mouse. You will see this add logo button. Click on it. This new window pops up. Click below logo, click on upload. Locate the logo on your computer, double click it like that, and it will show up here. Okay, close this window, and now your logo is added here. Close this window, and as you see here, now this is how it's the logo or the navigation from the top to the side. This is how it looks like. I think yes. Now click on publish again, and let's view my published site. And this is how my logo looks like in Google, in my Google site. I think, or before that, how to make a logo. I want to ChatGPT, and I ask it, make me a website logo for NYC Pizza. Okay, I want to ask it to make a logo. I want it to be simpler, and instead of a square, I want it to be rectangular. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, website builder, and Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Instead of a square, I want it to be rectangular to show up clean and or to show details, to show its details. I forgot to give it my brand identity colors. For example, if your website uses certain colors, you can give it to ChatGPT. For example, you can call it, please use my brand identity colors. For example, blue, orange, and yellow. Or you can go with the exact colors. I don't know their name. It's called hexagon names or something like. Let's look for hex color codes. You can use this this website, and you can pick, for example, let's say that this is your brand color. You can give it this exact code. It's called hex color. Okay, this one is more rectangular. Let's update my logo, delete the old one, click on upload. This one As you see this time, the background uses a white color. You can ask ChatGPT to make your logo transparent. Publish again, and let's view my website live. And this is how my new logo looks like. And this is how to add a website logo in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.